The establishment of Bionika Pharmaceuticals in 2010 pursued the vision of its founders from the 90s, when social conditions in the broader region started to change. In that period of great uncertainties, Varus was established in the Republic of Macedonia as one of the first private companies for marketing and distribution of medicines, chemicals, reagents, equipment and medical devices. Ever since then, by experiencing a very dynamic development and coping with challenges of frequent environment changes, Varus has built its unique position in the pharmaceutical chemical industry. Almost with the same business concept, though a little later, Novos was established in the Republic of Serbia, a company that cooperates with all leading companies in the area of pharmacology, food and beverages, medical centers and laboratories. The operating principles, commitment to quality and developed culture of continuous improvement with both companies have contributed to a stable multi-annual growth. Following that growth path and in line with the strategic development plans and their expansion to the foreign markets, both companies have founded Bionika Pharmaceuticals. The long years of successful operation and the embedded business values of its founders have given Bionika Pharmaceuticals the character of a company of uncompromised quality, a company dealing with innovation and leadership, sustainability and social responsibility, highly qualified and satisfied employees. Today, Bionika Pharmaceuticals is a modern manufacturing company for solid pharmaceutical forms. The production facility is according to the highest standards of good manufacturing practice and is situated on an area of 2,500 square meters. The manufacturing process commences in the receiving premise for the manufacturing materials, where the qualitative and quantitative acceptance is performed and the materials are labeled. Sampling of received materials is carried out in a separate premise. Samples are taken in order to test their physical and chemical properties and microbiological quality in accordance to established standards. After the sampling is finished, materials are suitably labeled. In the 5 warehouses, the raw materials, bulk products, primary packaging, secondary packaging and the finished products are stored under strictly controlled conditions. Quality control laboratories perform testing of physical and chemical properties and microbiological testing of received materials, in-process controls and control of finished products, in order to ensure that the necessary and relevant tests are carried out and the materials are not released for use nor products released for sale until their quality has been judged satisfactorily. The equipment and the facilities of quality control and microbiological laboratory are in compliance with the principles of good laboratory practice. Quality control and microbiological laboratories are constructed in compliance with the principles of current good manufacturing practice and enable correct performance of tests. Laboratory testing is performed according to the latest achievements in analysis of pharmaceutical products, following the principles of good control laboratory practice, regulatory requirements and requirements of internationally recognized quality standards. The equipment in the laboratories is suitable for intended purposes and meets the technical features. Before being placed in service, equipment is qualified and checked to establish that it meets the technical specification requirements. In the production area, according to the ISO 14644/1 standard, in the premises of ISO 8 class of air, white zone, and ISO 9 class of air, grey zone, the personnel enters through suitable wardrobes and prepares accordingly. The primary packaging is performed by the machine for packing of the bulk products in blisters, located in the area with ISO 8 class of air. From there, proper blisters continue to the premise for secondary and tertiary packaging in the area with ISO 9 class of air, where the cardboarding machine, the balance and the stretch bundling machine are located. Here, The blisters are packed in carton boxes together with the patient information leaflets. After the weighing, 10 carton boxes are packed in bundles with a polyethylene band. The finished product is packed in transport boxes which are stored in the quarantine warehouse until the quality of the finished product is confirmed. After the batch release based on a positive analysis from the quality control laboratory and the review of the manufacturing processes, the transport boxes are transferred to the finished product's warehouse. The prescribed procedures and standard operating procedures are followed for each activity: recording, checking and archiving. The control of the requirements assigned by the good manufacturing practice is performed through the monitoring of the supporting systems, building management systems, that is, the SCADA system. These processes, complemented with the company culture and values, enables Bionika Pharmaceuticals striving to success in every segment of its work and manufacturing, all with the purpose of ensuring immaculate quality for its consumers who are in the focus of our existence.